They had it already. I have to taste because. Oh my God, where are the testers? Come. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Mom Essie's Kitchen. Today is another episode of Mom Essie's Kitchen, and on today's episode we are making a delicious, yumicious African salad. That is what I called it. Okay, but before we go into details of this African salad, if today is your first time of stopping by or you're just waka passing, okay, and you notice this channel, please do me a huge favor by hitting the subscription button and also the notification bell so that you get alert as soon as I upload new videos. For my old and returning subscribers, I appreciate you all out there. You're doing a great job. The level I am now, you all did it. So please keep working hard for me and God will continually bless you all out there. Thank you so much. And as I said earlier on, we are making African salad. But before I talk about this or show you the ingredients, I want to make a disclaimer here. I'm using a thickener, or I'm going to be making the ungo with akang. Okay, so akang can be used, but there's how I make this akang to thicken this ungo thing to make sure it is healthy for me to eat and everyone around me, to avoid purging the stomach. I'm going to show you that, and I want to also say you can use the plantain, the unripe plantain, dry it in the sun, the skin, dry it in the sun, put it in the gallon or in a bowl, cover it, soak it with water overnight, then sieve out the water the next day, and then put the water, the residual, into the container and put in the fridge. Okay, thirdly, you can do the incha method. The incha method is simply using palm oil, adding boiled hot water into it, use a hand mixer and make it work, and you see the thickener coming its own way without any extra work. Just make sure you use your hand mixer and then put it in the medium to high speed, then get your uncha to make this. That is all this I'll be bringing to the video, to different videos, but here today we are using akang to do the ungo. So at this point I'm taking you straight to the ingredient. Here is the akang. This akang, I soaked it for a long period of time, stored it in the fridge, so I'll be sieving out the water. I will show you how I'm going to do this, okay, as we proceed. Here is the salt to taste. Here is palm oil. Here is Ghana fresh. This is another type of palm oil, very lovely, very nice. I recommend it. Here is Utazi leaf. Here is Abodi. I'm not using pomo, strangely enough, right? Here is pepper. I have pomo, but the time of cooking it and everything, I just switched to this. Since I already have a red-made Abodi in the fridge already cooked, so let me just dice it into it. Okay, it's even optional. Use what you have. It's also nice. You can use fish. You can use your stock fish. So that aside, here is fresh pepper, the red or the yellow scotch bonnet pepper. Here is dried crayfish. Here is Maggi star. I'm using just a cube of that. Here is my onions and my cabbage. This is the cabbage, if you can look very well. Here is the cabbage and here is the onions. Okay, so I mixed extra vegetable to this. I assure you it's lovely. The Utazi leaf, don't forget that. And in the center here is the blended crayfish and also Ehuru. I mixed them up, leaving them here in the center. Okay, so and here is my the dried abacha. I've soaked it with Ugba. I've really soaked them, and here is what they look like. Okay, so people, I'm going to be heating this pot here. I'll show you what I do to get the ungo. This is pot. Right. I'm going to be pouring in. Sorry, I was heating. I'm pouring in the akang into it. As you can see, it's just the water that is entering. Okay, did you see that? I think this is enough because I'm not making too much stuff. Did you see the leftover thing here? I'll be keeping this inside and I'll add another, akang is like a stone. I'll be adding another potash, soak it again and leave it, okay, till when I want to use it. So I'm going to be heating this up. It's going to boil up. When it boils up, I'll come back to you to show you what it looks like. So as you can see, people, it's already boiling up. Okay, did you see that? It's boiling, so I'll be adding this oil to it. Let's see what happens here. Okay, is somebody seeing what is happening? Are we seeing the transformation already? Did you see that? This is how I make this ngo very, very edible, very, very suitable, very, very delicious for the stomach. I just want to show you something. Did you see that? Did you see that? Is somebody seeing what I'm seeing? Have you seen this method anywhere before? Just holla me. So I'm taking this off the fire. Is it not looking like the inch I was talking about? Okay, so I'll be setting this aside. Okay? Yeah. So I'll be pouring in the ngo gradually. Are we getting there? Are we getting there? Is somebody watching? Hope they are seeing this video very well. Are we seeing the transformation here? Food is ready. I meant for those that don't know, this food is actually ready. Oh my god, somebody asked me if I'm doing magic here. It's not magical. Did you see what I'm seeing? Oh, I hope my light is very bright enough to show you what this abacha is actually looking like. If you want, like me, I like the ngo to be pronounced. Oh Chimo, waiting be this. Na abacha. Oh my god. Oh my word. Wow, I use my hand because it helps me penetrate just the way I want it. Already I have to taste because oh my god, where are the testers? Come. So my lovely people, what do you think? I just said food is ready. Watching to this minute and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Help your sister to subscribe now. It is free of charge. They don't charge you for subscribing. And also hit the notification bell. All these are totally free. Oh my god. Even in Germany we eat abacha. Oh ha. Yes, so oh yeah, so delicious. Remember, you can serve this actually with your dried meat, your pomo, your cow leg, your whatever. But this is for me. It's just this is just a simple abacha. Something is inside to chew. My crayfish, my henny, everything is inside. Okay, so this is just my simple recipe. I assure you that it's very simple. Okay. Abacha na to on a dizzy na muta. Okay. Hope to see you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay cool. Bye bye.